test, Randhir obtained more marks than the total marks obtained by Kunal and Debu. So Randhir has obtained more marks. The total marks obtained by Kunal and Shankar are more than those of Randhir. Sonal obtained more marks than Shankar. Neha obtained more marks than Randhir. Who among them obtained the highest marks? So we need to find that who amongst these obtained the highest marks. अब यहाँ पर एक एक बार इक्वेशन देखते जाते हैं क्या क्या बनी हुई है. इन अ टेस्ट Randhir obtained more marks than this, ये सारा है. अब who among them obtained the highest marks. अब यहाँ भी देखो ये नहीं पूछा है कि ऑर्डर क्या है. We just need to focus on highest marks. So let's just see how many people are there and accordingly we'll answer कि highest किसका है. You have Randhir. Randhir obtained more marks than total marks obtained by Kunal and Debu. अब यहाँ समझो कि if Randhir has obtained more marks than Kunal and Debu combined, that means for sure Kunal and Debu are not the ones who obtained the highest marks. तो ये दोनों नहीं हो सकता है, Randhir हो सकता है, लेकिन आगे देखते हैं. The total marks obtained by Kunal and Shankar. So you have one more character, that is Shankar here. So they obtained more marks than those of Randhir. So total marks obtained by Kunal and Shankar are more than those of Randhir. That means Randhir से ज़्यादा है कुणाल और शंकर के combined marks. बट इससे हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि Randhir के हाईएस्ट है या नहीं है. इन दोनों के मिला के Randhir से ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, क्या पता इंडिविजुअली दोनों के कम हो. ठीक है. Next, Sonal obtained more marks than that of Shankar. So you have another character, that is Sonal, and Sonal obtained more marks than those of Shankar. That means Shankar is also definitely not the highest. Neha obtained more marks than those of Randhir. So you have another character, that is Neha, and Neha obtained more marks than Randhir. That means Randhir is definitely not the highest. So with this information, what I can infer is either it is Sonal or it is Neha who has obtained the highest marks. इन चारों के तो नहीं है. So either it is Neha or it is Sonal. But certainly for sure कोई एक का मैं नहीं बता सकता. So I will give answer as data is inadequate. तो जितना भी डेटा दिया इससे ये नहीं बता सकते कि नेहा और सोनल में से किसका ज़्यादा है. ये फॉर श्योर है कि इन दोनों में से किसी एक के सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स हैं. Done. Let's see the next one. It says for